I love listening to old hits dancehall as well. Like, it's not that I don't love you. Yeah, I love those music. I don't really like say, yo, I'm gonna listen to some old hits, but whenever I hear them, I love it.
So today, guys, we're gonna be asking Shevon what are the 10 things you can't live without.
Alright guys, this is my top 10 essential things, 10 things I can't live without. Firstly, I would have to say probably my iPhone. So my iPhone XS, can't live without this. It's one of my essentials. You know your phone does everything, it takes pictures, it's the music. So definitely one of my top 10 essentials, I can't live without it. Next up, I would say my wallet, because obviously we have our cards in here. I love this wallet. I had this wallet since I was like in high school. This is a Nautica wallet, pretty cool. I could keep my cards, IDs, cash. You all know what a wallet does, so yeah, that's just a wallet. Next up, my Apple Watch. So this is the Apple Watch Series 3. I love this Apple Watch. Yeah, everybody know what the Apple Watch does. You tell the time. You could control your phone with it, so my phone correlates to my Apple Watch. And since we're talking about the Apple Watch, I would definitely go with the AirPods. Now I know a lot of people been talking about AirPods nowadays, but I've been had this for like 2 years now since it just came out. Even my cameraman had it. What do you think about the AirPods though?
It's pretty interesting.
Yeah, the AirPods is definitely one of my favorite. Just the overall functionality of it, the ease of use and everything, just wireless connected, easy to charge. So yeah, I always have my AirPods on me. And another thing I can't live without since we're talking about AirPods is music. I love music. Some of my favorite artists are probably like Drake, Vybz Kartel, Jigglypuff, Drake, Vybz Kartel, Travis Scott, J. Cole. Yeah, that's some of the top of my head right now. Genre-wise, I listen to dancehall, rap, hip-hop, R&B. I love listening to old hits dancehall as well. Like, it's not that I don't love you. Yeah, I love those music. I don't really like say, yo, I'm gonna listen to some old hits, but whenever I hear them, I love it. So yeah, how much you gone? Oh yeah, one more thing I can't live without, guys, or another thing I can't live without is my glasses. If you guys don't know me, I'm super duper. Yo, I remember the time when I drive. Yo, my cameraman lent me his car, was driving at night, and
Driving in the middle of the lane.
the middle of the lane, and Sean say, yo, you need to go over somewhere. And I say, yo, my good still. So yeah, I can't live without these Ray-Bans. These are just Ray-Ban Club Masters. I know you guys seen with them before. Super clean. I love them. I don't know if I look good in them, but I definitely need to wear them. Next up, we have my gum. Can't live without the gum, because if your breath stink, it's not gonna work, especially, you know, around the ladies, you have to have a fresh breath. So I always have my extra. I'll buy these in packs. So yeah, can buy them at Walmart, anything like that. Then I also have my lip balm, and if you guys know me, if I don't use these, my lips get dry as hell, like super dry, white lips and everything. So I have to use my lip balm. Next up, we have the cologne. You know, we have to have the cologne and everything. Top priority, have to smell good every time. And last but not least, the thing that keeps me going is this laptop right here. So without this laptop, you can't really do anything. You have to have this laptop for school. If I didn't have this laptop, I couldn't be uploading videos, I couldn't be editing, everything like that. I couldn't finish school. So if this laptop wasn't here today, I don't know where I would be. So yeah, that's basically all the top 10 essentials that I can't live without. I went through my watch, glasses, laptop, gum, wallet, AirPod, phone, lip balm, and my cologne. Yeah, another honorable mention is Fortnite. Yo, Fortnite is life. You already know I'm a beast at the game. And also, new game come out called Apex Legends. Soon start play that enough. But yeah, that's it for this video. If you guys see anything that you can't live without and it was here, let me know down below in the comments as well. Drop a like in the video if you enjoyed. And as I said before, just let me know things that you can't live without. If it wasn't here, let me know down below in the comments as well. And as always, guys, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.